Hey everybody. I don't normally go by pre-written scripts, but maybe I should. Helps me stay direct. Today I will be doing that because I'm going to be trying to help out some guys that speak Portuguese in Grandpa's Discord and help them get their map ready for a live server. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up your map project for testing on a live server, including your central economy folders, and using the economy editor to prepare your AI spawns, as well as your tiers and locations for loot. After you've packed your map and published it to the workshop, you will load it up in the Daisy editor mod, and you'll select all the assets, and then you can export the map group position files, the XML for your missions folder.
Normalmente não sigo um roteiro pré-escrito, mas talvez devesse. Hoje o farei porque estou tentando ajudar alguns caras que falam português no Discord do vovô a preparar o mapa para um servidor ao vivo. Neste tutorial em vídeo, mostrarei como configurar seu projeto de mapa para teste em um servidor ativo, incluindo suas pastas centrais de economia e usando o editor de economia para preparar seus spawns de IA, bem como seus níveis e locais para saque. Depois de empacotar seu mapa e publicá-lo no workshop, você o carregará no mod do editor Daisy. Selecionará todos os ativos no mapa e os exportará para um arquivo XML de posições de grupo de mapas. Este arquivo é para sua pasta de missões.
Okay, let's start with the central economy for the map. Use the description link, and once you have this file downloaded, let's take a look. You will need to extract the files, and then inside it should look like this. You've got layers, map, territory types, area flags XML. You have a user agreement and a map.png. You don't really have to worry about the user agreement right now. I'll show you what to do.
Vamos começar com a economia central para o mapa. Use o link descrição. Depois de baixar este arquivo, vamos abri-lo e dar uma olhada. Você precisará extrair os arquivos. Por dentro deve ficar assim. Primeiro, temos a pasta de camadas, em seguida, a pasta do mapa, em seguida, os tipos de território e, em seguida, um XML de sinalizadores de área e, em seguida, o PNG do mapa. Você não precisará mexer no arquivo de texto do contrato do usuário.
Okay, the next thing you want to do is to copy this file, and we are going to paste it into the P drive. So just grab it from your desktop, navigate to your P drive, and we're going to paste that in there. There we go, we got it, CE editor _ Shinaris plus. Okay, we can minimize that.
A próxima coisa que queremos fazer é colar o arquivo na unidade P. Copie da sua área de trabalho e cole aqui. 000.
Alright, now it is time to open up your map in Terrain Builder. So go ahead and open up Tools and click on Terrain Builder. I've already got mine open. So you're going to load up your map, and you're going to end up seeing some shapes, right? We only want the roads showing. We don't want any of these shapes and stuff. So what we're going to do is go over to the shapes, and whatever we have on here, we're going to hide and toggle those off, because we just want to be able to see clearly where the roads and objects are when we zoom in, so that we can find out exactly where we want to put our zombies and whatnot. So then you want to zoom back out, so you got the whole map showing, right? Okay. And then you are going to go to File, Export, EMF. Okay, it's gonna want a location. Just type in map and put that to your downloads. I've already got one there named map, so it's gonna ask me to overwrite. And yep, and then leave it default as 500 by 500 and press OK. And now we're gonna double check that file.
Agora é hora de abrir seu mapa no construtor de terreno. Antes de exportar, queremos ter certeza de que apenas nossas estradas e edifícios colocados estão sendo exibidos. Para que saibamos onde colocar nossos zumbis e procurar cadeiras e não colocar todas as nossas camadas de formas no caminho. Para fazer isso, vá para o gerenciador de camadas e desative suas formas. Quando estiver pronto, deve ser algo assim com exatamente o que você deseja mostrar. Ajuste seu mapa e diminua o zoom para que você possa ver tudo. Deixe o 500 por 500 e continue. Intitule o mapa por enquanto.
Alright, you can save it to your source folder if you wanted to. I have a folder in my source one called imagery, and there you can just save it, but I'm just doing this one in the downloads. So you've got map.emf, right? Don't worry about this one right here. Okay. So you're going to double click that, and then you got your full map here, right? Perfect. Now, if it doesn't come up when you click that, then just right click it and go to open with and paint, and that should work.
Você pode salvá-lo em sua pasta de origem se desejar que eu tenha uma pasta chamada imagens lá, ou você pode apenas salvar esta para downloads. Clique 2 vezes no arquivo e ele deve abrir no Paint. Caso contrário, clique com o botão direito do mouse e selecione abrir com underscore Paint.
Now you should be able to see your full map here. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Save As and a PNG. We're going to title it Map. Right? It's already going to be a PNG, so we're just going to map like that. And we're going to save that to downloads. That's okay. Close out of that. Now we've got this map.png. And we're going to right click it, and we are going to copy.
Agora você deve conseguir ver seu mapa completo. Clique em arquivo underscore save as underscore png. O nome é mapa. Então deve ficar assim. Map.png. Clique com o botão direito e copie map.png.
Alright, now it is time to go back to the project drive we made earlier. So we're going to go to the P drive, and then we're going to go down and find the CE editor underscore Schnars plus. We're going to open that up. And we've already copied the other PNG, so we're going to click in here, and we're going to, it looks like I'm going to need to do it again. That's fine, I'll just open a new window. Downloads, copy, and we're going to paste that in here and replace the file. So we just changed it from the Schnars image to our custom map image. And when we open that up, now you can see we've got our full map image. Now we're going to open up Daisy Tools. We're going to click on Economy Editor. Now we got this up. We're going to select File, New. Now project name. Actually, let me try something real quick. We're gonna cancel. We're gonna go File, Load. CE Editor, Schnars Plus. Area flags.
Agora é hora de voltar para a pasta da unidade do projeto que criamos anteriormente. C-editor_your map name. Cole map.png para sobrescrever a imagem do mapa Chernaros e substitua-a pelo seu sitemap personalizado. Abra as ferramentas Daisy. Clique em Editor de Economia. File_load_c-editor_Chernauros_area_flags.xml.
Okay, now we are going to come up here and click View and make sure that all of these are ticked. That will give you these windows here, here, and here. And then you're going to come here and make sure that this is all the way down. Okay. Now we can hold the control key and use the mouse wheel to scroll in and out. We can hold Alt when scrolled in and out to go left and right. And if we let go of that, we can go up and down. Now, one thing to double check is that your map frame is the right size.
Clique em View_select todos os três se ainda não estiverem. Aqui embaixo, certifique-se de diminuir a opacidade até o fim. Agora podemos segurar a tecla Ctrl e usar a roda de rolagem do mouse para aumentar o zoom. Agora segure Alt para ir para a esquerda e para a direita e solte-o para subir e descer. Esses são os controles básicos de navegação.
Alright, before you export, make sure that you've resized your map. to your world size by going to File, Properties, and then come down here and make sure you've got your values filled in. Those are mine, and then you'll press OK. This is going to make sure it's the right size. You can see it down here.
Antes de exportar, redimensione para o tamanho do mundo do mapa. File_properties_input values_ok. Isso garantirá que é o tamanho certo.
So I accidentally had pixels selected and made a little error there. So open up the EMF again in Paint. Yeah, as you can see down here, it's 500 by 500 pixels. We're going to go back into Properties again and put in our map frame. And then we are going to change this to inches. Okay, we need to backtrack for just 1 second. So yeah, let's backtrack, and we're going to correct one thing before we move on. Go ahead and close out of the economy editor. Yes. And then go into your CE editor, sure no file again, and you're going to open up the area flags.xml, and you want to make sure that your layer size matches your map and that your world size matches your map. In this case, my layer size is 4096 as well. I just need to change this one to 2480. Now I can save that and close it out. Now things will load in properly. So now we can come back to here, to economy editor, file, load, area flags, open. Now we have the proper size. If you toggle this here, you can see the size comparison to all default Shannara spawns.
Vamos retroceder por apenas um segundo para corrigir uma coisa antes de prosseguirmos. Fechar o editor de economia por um momento. Vá para c-editor_cherno novamente e abra o area flags.xml. Certifique-se de que sua camada e tamanho do mundo correspondam aos seus mapas. No meu caso, eu preciso mudar apenas o tamanho do mundo para isso. Agora eu tenho o tamanho adequado. Se você alternar isso aqui, poderá ver a comparação de tamanho com todos os spawns padrão dos Chernaros.
Now, one thing I forgot to do was to crop my PNG. See how I have this black area around the edge? I should have cropped it to this yellow line first. So you want to make sure you crop it before you do that.
Agora, uma coisa que esqueci de fazer foi cortar meu PNG. Certifique-se de cortar o seu primeiro.
Okay, I'm gonna correct my map image size real fast, and then we can move on.
Vou corrigir o tamanho da imagem do meu mapa bem rápido e então podemos seguir em frente.
Okay, let's start with just the zombies for now. We're gonna go over here to zombies. We're gonna drop this down, and we're gonna click on industrial. Now we're gonna take a look at the map, and we have to click on this right here, this little selection tool, and them right here. So first click on industrial and check the box, then click on here. Now we can grab these and move them around.
Vamos começar apenas com os zumbis por enquanto. Primeiro, temos industrial. Então vamos clicar nessa caixa e dar uma olhada no mapa. Agora, para mover luz, teremos que clicar aqui. Agora podemos reuni-los para organizá-los de acordo com a forma como queremos usá-los.
Now we are going to zoom in and find all the spots for the industrial Zs.
Agora vamos ampliar e encontrar todos os pontos para os Zs industriais.
Okay, now let's see. If you look over here, you will notice that there is an opacity you can adjust. That's the color of this as well.
Se você olhar aqui, notará que há uma opacidade que você pode ajustar, que também é a cor disso.
If you wanted to add another one of these that has all the same settings, you can use Control C and then Control V.
Se você quiser adicionar outra das mesmas configurações, use o controle C e cole.
With the zombies, you are going to want to leave them as a dynamic event for now.
Com os zumbis, você vai querer deixá-los como um evento dinâmico por enquanto.
If you look over here, there is a minimum for one of these of 5 and a maximum for 10.
Se você olhar aqui, há um mínimo para um desses 5 e um máximo para 10.
All of these values can be adjusted for your zombies to make them just the way you want.
Todos esses valores podem ser ajustados para que seus zumbis os deixem do jeito que você deseja.
You can also scale the size of the area that they spawn.
You can also scale the size of the area that they spawn.
Você também pode dimensionar o tamanho da área que eles geram.
If you want to remove one, you can click on it and then go over to this red X.
Se você quiser remover um, pode clicar nele e depois ir para este X vermelho.